Sir.
Greetings and welcome to IBI. The last few weeks have been flooded with Budget 2023, and the taxes, both direct and indirect, have been major topic of discussion. While we at India Business Insights have been keeping our viewers updated with all the information, today we shall be discussing the most popular topic, which is in the minds of all the individuals. That is GST, Goods and Service Tax. So before we go ahead with the video, I request all our viewers to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Today, we are privileged to have among us a professional who shall guide us through GST. We have with us CA Surabhi Bohra. She is a partner in PD Runta and Company, Kolkata, and in GST and is the GST head of the firm. She is qualified as a chartered accountant in the year 2013. She is also a faculty identified by the Institute of Chartered Accountants for GST. She has deliberated on various forums on GST and indirect taxation and has conducted various workshops for business and non-business organizations. She looks after litigation, advanced ruling, consultancy, compliance in GST, and other indirect taxes for corporate and non-corporate clients. She is an active member in subcommittee of eminent professional bodies like Associate of Corporate Advisors and Executives and Treasurer in Central Kolkata Study Circle. So, ma'am, we are privileged to have you with us again.
Thank you for having me here.
Sure, ma'am. Along with that, we have Naman Agarwal. He is recently qualified chartered accountant and currently an analyst at India Business Insights. Welcome, Naman.
Thank you so much.
We also have one more member, Neha. She is also an analyst at India Business Insights. So now, ma'am, let's begin with the question and answer session.
Yeah, my first question is, can you please explain the major difference between CGST and SGST and IGST?
Okay, so GST is basically a destination-based consumption tax, as we all know. So what happens is wherever the destination is, where the consumption has been made, GST is leviable at that point. So in order to understand, we have to understand that there are two types of transactions in GST. One is intrastate supply and another is interstate supply. So what is intrastate supply? My question comes here is that, so intrastate supply is a transaction where the location of the supplier and the place of supply is within the same state. So for example, say Mr. A, he sells the goods to some recipient who is in, say, West Bengal itself. So that transaction will be considered as an intrastate supply. And in case of intrastate supply, CGST and SGST is leviable. So we have to understand, so if the applicable tax rate is 18%, say on particular goods, then he has to pay 9% under CGST and 9% under SGST. Going forward, for IGST, we have to understand it should be an interstate transaction. So what do I mean by interstate transaction? Again, where the location of the supplier and the place of supply are not within the same state, is between two different states, then it will be considered as an interstate supply and IGST will be applicable thereon.
Second question is, can you please give us a brief about the GST slabs?
Okay, so normally we know that GST has got multiple tax slabs and we are very scared to understand what will be the rate applicable to me. So, well, normally there are 5 slabs which is given in GST law, which is 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Apart from this, there are other slab rates as well, which is 0.25%, which is on the diamonds and semi-precious stones. Then there is 3%, which is applicable on gold and silver. Then there is 1% slab rate, which is applicable on construction of RREP. Apart from this, there are certain relief which has been given wherein the applicable tax rate changes. One of it is 65% of abatement, if we say, is provided for leased whole vehicles which have been in possession before July 2017. If the business is in leasing of that vehicle, then 65% of exemption is available on the applicable tax rates. Apart from this, there is a concessional rate of tax which is applicable, which is 0.1%. which can be taken by the merchant exporters who want to export, who purchase from India just to export the goods. Then this rate of 0.1% is applicable as notified under notification number 40 slash 2017 CT or for CGST and 41 slash 2017 IGST for IGST notification.
Ma'am, all the rates you have told, is it a complete GST or separately for CGST and SGST?
So we have to understand that when we do CGST and SGST, it is nothing but the addendum of IGST rate. So supposedly, if 18% is applicable on IGST, then it will be 9% CGST and 9% SGST.
Okay, got it. Then, ma'am, can you tell me what is the HSN code?
Okay, HSN code is nothing but harmonized system of nomenclature. It is applicable for goods. Likewise, there is a similar coding system for the services, which is SAC, and it means Service Accounting Code. So HSN is basically the code through which the GST rates have been prescribed in notification. So in order to understand what rate is applicable on me, I need to understand what will be the HSN code for my goods and SAC code for my services.
How can we know the HSN code of an item?
Okay. So HSN code is something which can be seen and found out from the first schedule of the Custom Tariff Act 1975, and SAC code is available from the annexed rules notification number 11 slash 2017 Central Tax Rates dated 28th June 2017.
Limit of HSN code in invoice of GST returns.
So GST return, we need to provide HSN code and SAC code on the GST invoices. The limit of the digits to be used for HSN code and the SAC code has been prescribed by the CBIC, and it is 4 digits for people having turnover up to 5 crores, and for people who are having taxable turnover more than 5 crores, they have to provide with 6 digits of the HSN and the SAC.
Thank you, Naman. Ma'am, is there anything else that you'd like our viewers to know?
Okay, I will give you one tip here to identify the HSN code and the SAC code. So HSN code is nothing but the chapter heads under which your goods are going to be described in. So HSN code is range starts from chapter 1 and goes till chapter 89. So anything, first of all, you have to identify which chapter does your goods fall into. That is the broad description of the chapter that will be found in the first 2 digit of your HSN code. And from that, you can find out what is your HSN code. And for SAC code, your SAC code starts with 99.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this interesting tip. Also, thank you so much, ma'am, for addressing all the issues and questions that we had. And I hope that if there are any further questions our audience members have, you can drop it in the comments below. We will discuss GST returns, composition scheme, RCM, and related questions in the upcoming videos with the guidance of professionals like Surabhi ma'am. So thank you so much, all of us, for joining in today.